We are Alexis and Sean Oaks, and we are building the Monroe one with Shaw Homes.
I'd say the best part about building with Shaw Homes is the efficiency that they've had. Everyone is very nice and upfront, and you're able to get response on things within a day or two. I have really appreciated that because sometimes I can be a little crazy.
Yeah, no, it's been great. I think the best part I've liked about it is how they lay everything out. You can really see the item cost, and there's no surprises, so that's a big deal when you're making a big purchase like a house. What set Shaw apart from the rest of the builders was the location came down to a big deal for us, where we wanted to be. They had a lot of neighborhoods to choose from, and then ultimately the price worked out for what we could build and get what we wanted to and stay within budget.
I liked how organized Shaw was. They walk you through the entire process, even on day one. Even if you're just popping into the house just to look at, and you have no goal of purchasing or building or anything like that. It was just really nice to be able to see step by step. So once again, there were no surprises on, oh, we don't see this person for another month or anything like that. If I could give advice to anyone looking into Shaw Homes, I would say definitely take the tour of the homes. It gets you to walk through, see the different things that they offer, actually give a feel for the floor plans, because you can't picture yourself living somewhere off of just a piece of paper. You want to walk in and think, where are you going to put your Christmas tree? Or can you picture your kids eating breakfast in this nook and things like that?
Yeah, I'd have to say that was really the biggest thing. Is I'd suggest doing the model home tour, because you get to see how organized they are. You can see them talk about every little detail on how they can change it from this to that when you look at all the houses. And it's a Saturday morning, which you might not want to do, but it's definitely worth your time.